I love you. Love is patient, it's selfless, it's respectful, caring, and accepting. Love is unconditional.
I showed y'all the nails. Just my little Frenchies. Yeah, that kind of concludes today. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Halle J here. For those of you who are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Beauty Babe gang. Once you do that, leave me a comment down below so I know that you are part of the family. But welcome to a maintenance vlog, okay? Today is day 2 for me. I will be including day 1. It should be fun because this is my first ever wig installed and I'm very excited about it. Just my Skims shapewear top situation. It'll be linked down below. These jeans are from Target, super cute. Just something real cute. You know, when the girls take pictures of me, I just look, you know, decent.
Yeah, my nigga, we really poppin' this shit for real, nigga. No cap, no rap cap. I took the top off, I'm trippin' like hot sauce. I got like a screen rock, baby, give me that mean mouth.
Do y'all understand how bad I'm about to cut up? I'm about to cut her up. Cut her up. Look, I'm so excited about my hair. This is my first install ever.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hoe 5, 6 niggas. I just on my ass, so he call his pussy nigga. Fucking on the scamming ass, rich ass nigga.
Same group of bitches, ain't no ass in the picture. Give a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Freaking on looking, I'm looking at your nigga. This money right, you can get like a picture.
I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Fucking all loud in them fake ass hoes. Fake ass shoes, plus that fake ass hoe. I'm the realest bitch ever seen snake ass hoes.
So it's me. I love it. I love it. Like 137,000%. Like, just imagine when I put this face on. Let's start there. Do I know how to act? Am I one of the girls now? I decided I want to go out tonight, so not out, but we'll see what happens. But I just want to put on a face so I could just see the whole thing come together. So I'll see y'all when the face is done, because yeah.
I'm sorry, I just need 1 minute to make sure I look good. Do you think I look good, Mr. Armstrong? Real freak bitch.
So I totally forgot to show you guys. I went out to eat, went to Carrabba's, came back, and now we're here. I'm about to take off this makeup and wind down and go to sleep because I'm tired. Like, pampering yourself all day is still work. Like, follow me on TikTok. That's all I gotta say, because all the content is gonna be on the top. And y'all, I don't know why, but like, this braid down is doing what the braid down need to do. Like, get into it. Like, it made me feel like this. Like, you know, that's what it made me feel like. Drake does this hair shit. Y'all see it on the montage. She does this. Lashes. Lauren does this shit. Like, come on. Bottom lashes are all me though. Okay, can't buy these. I mean, you can, but y'all get what I'm saying. Like, does this shit. Come on. Beat for real. But anyways, I think this is going to conclude the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below if y'all want to see more stuff like this. Please let me know because I had so much fun. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Join the gang so you will not miss any more content from me. Hit that notification bell. I love y'all with all my heart. Thank you for all the support. Hashtag Rose to 1 million. And I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.